guys! Good morning! So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, my name is Ray. So, good morning sa inyong lahat. So, actually, this is my second time na nag-film ako or mag-take ng video about subtracting and adding fraction. So, yung first video ko, epic fail kasi yun. Actually, hindi epic fail yung discussion ko noon or yung video, epic fail yung mukha ko doon. Kasi sobrang haggard ko. Super yung first film ko. That's why inulit ko na lang siya. So, now, eto na. Di ba ang pangit naman na mag-YouTube ka, tapos YouTuber ka, tapos unprepared ka, ang pangit ng mukha mo sa screen. So, sino manunood sa'yo kung pangit ka? So, eto, nag-ayos ako. Pero actually, hindi naman kagandahan o kagwapuan yung, yung cuties ko. So, sige lang. So, today, we will discuss adding and subtracting fractions. So, yun ang ituturo ko sa inyo. How to solve addition, and subtracting fractions. So, basic lang yung ituturo ko. I hope that you will understand well. So, yun. Okay, remember, in fractions, so find a common denominator. So, yun po yung pinaka-importante in adding and subtracting fractions. So, we have common denominators. So, I would like to say sorry muna if ever magtatagalog ako or English para po mas maintindihan niyo po yan. So, actually, I'm not an expert in math. Hindi po ako expert in math. Hindi po ako kagaling-galingan. Hindi po ako magaling sa mathematics. But, meron lang po ako naiintindihan. A little bit lang po. So, let's have our first example. Okay, let's have this one. Let's do this. Okay, here. This one. Let's read this one. 5/10 plus 2/10. So in adding fractions, we have unlike denominators. Always remember that one. We have unlike denominators, unlike denominators. So yung first example ko is like denominators. So we have the same denominator. So 5/10 plus 2/10. So remember, yung sinabi ko kanina, find a common denominator. Since same po yung denominators natin, so we will not touch that one. Hindi po natin yun pakikialaman. So we will copy lang the denominators. So simply, we will copy this 10. So our denominator is 10. Okay, that's it. And then, our numerator is 5 plus 2. So 5 and 2. So simply, we will add this 1. So 5 plus 2, mental math, is 7. So our total answer is 7/10. So this one, very basic lang po. Basic. So, first example is very easy. Same with subtracting fraction po. Copy the denominators, and then subtract the numerators. Same lang po yun. Pag like denominators po yung example or ibibigay. So, basta wag po nating pakikialaman ang ating denominator. Yun po yun. So, one of the rules sa adding and subtracting fractions, find a common denominator. That's it. So another example for like denominators. So this one. 7/35 plus 15 over 35 equal. So, like denominators, again, copy. And then simply add both numerators. 7 plus 5, mental math, it's 22. Because if you will add 7 to 5, the answer is 12. Carry 1, 1 plus 1, it's 2, so it's 22. So our total answer is 22 over 35. Okay, this time let's have subtracting fractions with like denominators. So 10 over 15 minus 7 over 15. And so copy again, denominator, same rules, same. And then the problem is this one is subtraction. So 10 minus 7. So what is the answer? Mental math. Simply, if we will subtract 10 to 7, the answer is 3. So our final answer is 3 over 15. But we can simplify this one, 3 over 15. Remember, we can simplify if your answer is both even or both odd numbers. Okay, so this one is 3 over 15. We can divide this one, both numbers, to 3. So we can divide by this one. We can divide this one to 3, right? So the answer is 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then 15 divided by 3 is 5. So our final answer is 1/5. 1/5. Okay, remember that one. If we can simplify both numbers, then we simplify. But if ever di na po natin ma-simplify, then do not simplify. That's all again. Remember, tingnan nyo lang yung numbers, even numbers ba, both numerator and denominator, or both add numbers, numerators to denominators. So that's it. Watching, I hope you like it. I hope you understand. If ever you have some questions, then you please comment below. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yung second video ko po is all about unlike denominators. So if ever matapos ko na yung ma-edit, then I will upload it soon. So kita kits. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.